Car is driven with a constant acceleration a meters per second along a straight road. Its speed when it passes the road sign is u meters per second. The car travels 20 meters in 2 seconds after passing the sign. 6 seconds after passing the sign, has a speed of 25 meters per second. Write down two equations connecting A and U, and hence find the values of A and U. What distance does the car travel in 10 seconds after passing the road sign? So, we got in the first case, let's just take the information. We got the initial velocity, we don't know, the acceleration, and 2 seconds is going to travel 20 meters. If we use S is equal to ut plus a half at squared, we've got 20 is equal to 2u plus a half times a times 2 squared. So you're going to have 20 is equal to 2u. 2 squared is 4, divided by 2 is 2 plus 2a. All these are divisible by 2, so we've got 10 is equal to u plus a. That's going to be one of my equations. Using the other bit of information, 6 seconds. So u is, we don't know, t is 6, but the velocity, the final velocity is 25 meters per second. So if we use v is equal to u plus at, we know that 25 is equal to u, which I need to find, and t is 6, so 6a. So just writing that out, that will be equation 1, that will be equation 2. Now we can solve those simultaneously. So if we did equation 2 take 1, 25 take away 10 gives me 15. U take away u gives me nothing. 6a take away a gives me 5a. So a must be equal to 3. If we substitute a is equal to 3 into one of the equations, this one's obviously the easiest one, we get 10 is equal to u plus 3, u is equal to 7. So u is 7 meters per second, and a is 3 meters per second squared. So using that, we can now find the how far the car travels in 10 seconds. So u is equal to 7 meters per second and 3 meters per second, acceleration is 3 meters per second squared, and the time is 10 seconds. Using S is equal to ut plus a half at squared, we have that S is going to be 7 times 10 plus a half times 3, the acceleration, times 10 squared. That gives me 70, and then 10 squared is 100, times 300, 3 is 300, divided by 2 is 150. So that gives me a total distance travelled of 220 meters. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to form equations to find the initial velocity and the acceleration, and then use that to find the distance travelled after a certain amount of time. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.